What's up, guys? Your boy Big A here coming at you. Happy Friday to you all. I'm here at this Target. I'm gonna head on in. Wish me luck. I'll catch you guys inside. Bye. Alright guys, so here I am. So as you can see, looks like they restocked, and let's take a look. See? Bang! Right off the bat. Red edition, baby. Ooh, nice. Check out this Kennesig. This is a recolor. Let's see. This one I already have. Nice. Check this one out, guys. Let's see, what else do they have? Already dropping stuff. This one I already have. Oops. Look down here. Let's see. Check this one out, guys. This one I did not have. Nice. Check this one out. Let's see what else. Oops, here's another red edition. Nice. Lucky day, guys. Lucky day. Sure. All right. Anyways, I have be dropping a lot of stuff because these are way too full, guys. So, oops. Let's see. Okay. Check this one out, guys. The Surf and Turf. I'm a big fan of this casting. I'm gonna put these back really quick. Let's see. Yeah, guys, I'm dropping a lot of stuff. Let's see here. Yeah, alright guys, so I'm gonna stop because I'm dropping a lot of stuff. I'll show you guys what I picked up. Alright guys, sorry, I had to stop because as you saw I was dropping way too much stuff. So this is what I've picked up so far. That Ford GT, the Triumph TR6 red editions, that Lancia, the Audacious, and the Koenigsegg recolor. So this is what they have as far as the as far as stock is concerned. Pretty much the same stuff I've been showing you guys in the past. Doesn't look like they have anything fresh other than what I picked up. I've already shown you that stuff. These are still here. So let's move on to, they still have these Nissan GTR R35s. It's the remote control car. Cuts a nice little track there. And here's some Monster Jam. Here's some of these color changing. Here's some of these VTEC wannabe Transformers, Boom City Racers. Here they have some of these super fast, which I already have. Looks like they restocked. They might have a full set. By the way, guys, I made a video. I did a full-on review on these. So if you guys want to check it out, please do so. You guys would help me out tremendously. Check this one out, guys. I haven't seen this one before. This one's actually pretty cool. This is a Volvo. Very, very cool. Actually taking this one. Alright guys, let's move on. Micro Machines. They have these transporters. Pretty cool. Let me put this one back. They have these small transporters. Pretty cool. They have some more of these Majorette. Looks like they restocked. I'm still waiting for the other WRCs. This Jeep is actually pretty cool. Nice. It's actually not, it's a Land Rover. Sorry about that, guys. and they restocked on some of these bugs. They have a lot of stuff. Check out that T1. Check this one out. These are actually pretty cool. Just you know, I don't want to start collecting more brands. I already have enough. All right, guys. Let me move on to a different section. I saw a short bin right around the corner. I'll make a brief pause and I'll show you guys what I picked up. Okay, so this is the short bin that I was talking to you guys about. I'm gonna dig through this and I'll show you what I picked up. All right, guys. So there was nothing new in that short bin that I showed you guys. That was pretty much it. So just a recap of what I'm taking these two red edition Triumph. I'm taking that 4GT right there. I'm taking the Koenigsegg, the Audacious, and this Lancia right there. Alright guys, I hope you guys like the video. Please give me a big thumbs up, share my videos, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care and God bless.